how to remove Marketplace from Messenger. Now, first things first, this is going to be working both ways if either you're using your PC or laptop or your mobile device. The first thing you want to do is, of course, log into your Messenger account. Now, first to be able to do this method, we'll have to report this through Facebook. Now, I'm currently using my laptop here for this tutorial. Now, just go ahead and log into your account. Now, once you logged in, all you have to do is go to your profile and then go to report a problem. And then you'll have to press on help us improve the new messenger. And then click on the blue icon right here, include in report. And then under choose an area, you'll have to choose marketplace. Now, if marketplace is not showing on one of those options that you have and choose an area, you can just simply go ahead and choose on messenger. And then you can be specifically typed in under the details. So you'll have to mention, please remove marketplace on my messenger. Now, Facebook will be the ones to do the process for you, and they will update you once the marketplace is successfully removed from your messenger app. So that's how you can report, or that's how you remove marketplace on your messenger.